This is how you're going to withdraw your CES token from MetaWhale. You connect to your wallet, MetaMask, and then it will connect. You just have to approve and enter your password. My name is Lindy Sherris, and I am so happy to be showing you this. And then once you connected, you confirm. And then after, you'll be able to see this dashboard. Right at the top, you'll see a wallet thing there. You just click it. And after clicking it, you'll see that this is the money that I have and I can withdraw it, guys. So the money is sitting on inner balance, as you can see. So let's just click CES. This is the current value of CES. And then I can change the currency to USD for my USD friends, and this is how much this coin is worth today. And then once you get to this part, let's just go back so you can see. You get to this wallet again, and then you click CES. It will open. Remember, the money is sitting on CES inner balance, so you need to take it to your wallet. So this is how you actually transfer it. And then you click max or whatever amount you want to transfer. Now we just move the money from inner balance to the wallet. So this wallet is inside MetaWhale. So this is the one that connects to your Trust wallet, but then you still need to convert it, and then you can take it to your Trust wallet. So this part is done. As you can see, CS is now in my wallet balance instead of inner balance right at the top. So you go to WDEX. So I am now going to change this. It's like sort of converted from CS to USDT, because when I send it to Binance where I'm going to withdraw, it is going to be done on USDT. And then you enter the amount. So I can just select max right at the top or whatever amount you want and approve CES. So as you can see, you do need Polygon. So you can just buy maybe 2 Polygon just to do the transaction fees with it. You don't need much, you just need few. So $2 will be fine, or even $1 can be fine. So once you are there, the transaction will be complete. And as you can see there now, the tab changed, the button changed to swap. So and you click it again and you confirm, and then it will say insufficient, you do not have any more. So just do it just to confirm that you have done it proper. So you do the confirm, and after confirming, you will be able to continue. So now the transaction is done, but remember, it will say that you don't have any more. So now that the money is on USDT, we are able now to withdraw, because now we can't send CES to Binance because Binance doesn't have CES, especially the MetaWhale one. So let's go back to our Trust wallet, and you'll see that the amount is sitting on USDT, and we need to send it to Binance so that we can withdraw to our bank account. So I'm just going to open my Binance account to get the wallet address. So guys, you just connect to your balance address, and then you click home. Right at the bottom, you click add funds, and then on chain deposits. And after clicking on chain deposit, you will be able to select USDT, or after selecting USDT, remember the network must be Polygon, guys. Very important to select the network as Polygon. And once you are there, you'll be able to copy the wallet address for you to be able to withdraw. So now we'll need to go back to Trust Wallet so that we can be able to send this money to Binance. So now we are in Trust Wallet. Click USDT, and then once you get to this, click the arrow on the left hand side. This is the send button, and then you paste the address from Binance. You allow paste, and then you enter the amount that you want. So for me, I am withdrawing everything, guys. I'm just showing you this, but don't withdraw your CS. Keep it, because I truly believe that this coin will be worth a lot one day. So now it's processing. It does take time, guys. Like maybe give it 5-10 minutes and it will be done. So now, as you can see, I no longer have anything on my Trust wallet. Let's go back to Binance and click a back sign. So remember, when you are stuck in Binance, just click asset on your right hand side or click home on your left hand side. So now I'm under asset. It is still processing. So as you can see, they need confirmations in order for this to finish. So eventually it will finish. So as it is done now, the money will be there. You click home at the bottom. After clicking home, you will be able to now withdraw. So when you get to this part, you click more, because you don't see any withdraw button here, and after clicking more, you go right at the top, you will be able to type withdraw, so that you search, because there's just so many things there. Just type withdraw and it will show withdraw fiat. So I have a bank already that is linked to my Binance, so I love Binance these days because it can connect to our bank account. So you click continue. After clicking continue, it will connect to my bank account and I can just withdraw max. This is when you want to withdraw everything. So now let's continue, guys. And then after, it didn't even take like 3 minutes for the money to be in my account. So you confirm your withdrawal. Remember to protect your account by just maybe using verifications, like maybe it should send you an SMS or an email in order for you to confirm. So as you can see, fiat withdrawal successful. So now I need to go to my bank and see if the money has landed. So let's just quickly go there, and do remember that if you want to create your Binance account, you will find the link on the video description. So as you can see, when I check balances before withdrawing the balance, it is 1000. Actually, there's 1176. It actually went to my daughter's account, which is linked to my one. I think I added it the wrong way, but anyway, let's go back and see the amount that we have withdrawn. So if you want to join MetaForce, but I wouldn't advise you to join because they are currently upgrading something. So let's just continue with whatever projects that we are working on. Can you see the withdrawal is done? So this is the money that we have, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this. Withdraw from MetaWhale, and do keep the coin CS as well. So this is the email that I got. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.